Mabuhay! Hyundai Motor Philippines is capitalizing on its momentum by launching an all-new vehicle in the hotly contested MPV segment. Say hello to the Hyundai Stargazer 1.5 GLS Premium IVT. In the looks department, the Stargazer basically looks like a mini Staria. It has LED headlights, DRLs, and halogen fog lights. The Stargazer is powered by a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated gasoline engine that whips out 115 PS and 144 Nm of torque. It is then mated to the IVT transmission, which is essentially a CVT. The side features a one-curved design and 16-inch alloy wheels. And over at the rear are the striking TIE Fighter-looking LED taillights. Dimensions-wise, the Stargazer measures in at 4,460mm long, 1,780mm wide, 1,695mm high, with a ground clearance of 185mm. Inside the Stargazer GLS Premium are a host of soft-touch premium materials like leather, foam, and even metallic accents. The 4.2 multi-informational display screen shows the different vehicle information. The infotainment screen is an 8-inch unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Next up are the plethora of storage areas and cubbyholes, marking its true family car nature. The Stargazer has 4 drive modes, namely Eco, Normal, Sport, and Smart. For added comfort, the second row has its own air conditioning system and USB charging ports, along with massive bottle holders and even a food tray. It seats 7 people and the second row folds and tumbles while the third row can fold completely flat.